How to change photo background on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips. First, open App Store on your device. In the search bar, type and search background changer. You can see a lot of apps here. Now look for the AI background changer and eraser. Now install and open this app. It's a free app. You may see ads. Select remove option here. Now select the image you want to remove background. Then tap on the background at the bottom left. You can add your background from your gallery or select from the apps. When you are done, tap on save at the top. Your photo is saved. Now check this on the photos. Here is the photo. I just changed the background. And that's it.